that's really the million-dollar question and the hottest workplace issue that employers are facing today. And really, employers have two options for their policy. One, they can strongly encourage their staff to get vaccinated, or they can introduce a mandatory vaccination policy, which seems to be trending right now. And when coming up with these policies, which by the way, I would highly recommend a written policy that's clearly communicated to your staff, there's really three considerations. First and foremost, there's the health and safety of your staff and stakeholders. Secondly is any human rights considerations. And thirdly is the individual's privacy rights and decision possibly not to be vaccinated or not to disclose their vaccination status. Now, it's important that in the case of unvaccinated staff, employers do have the right to preclude them from participating in certain activities, depending on the nature of their business. And secondly, employers can place additional restrictions on those individuals, unlike fully vaccinated staff. It is also important for companies to think about the type of industry they're in and the nature of their workplace. So for example, education and healthcare might be more justified to have a mandatory vaccination policy than perhaps professional services. And lastly, when it comes to mandatory vaccinations, employers need to be mindful of the fact that if someone chooses not to be vaccinated in that scenario, there is still the requirement to accommodate for religious and medical exemptions. And lastly, what I want to say is this is a very fluid and evolving situation. And if you need a customized solution for this, please feel free to reach out to Rodney Employment Law for support.